Stop everything. Please get close and look at this. 6 weeks. This isn't a special effect, it's my client's reality after a month and a half of real combat. This isn't an office manicure. These hands work in the heart of a restaurant. Oven heat, steam, grease, detergents. It's extreme pressure. To see this growth intact without a single crack is literally magic outside of Hogwarts. She's a warrior. She tries to wear gloves, but in the chaos of service, they get forgotten. Let's start a debate. Are you team gloves or die, or team brave without protection? I'll confess, my skin is so sensitive, I can't even touch a file without feeling it. If I don't wear gloves, it's a nightmare. But I see women with hands of steel using bleach like it's rose water. Tell me, is your skin silk or iron? Today, we're busting the biggest myth about soft gel tips. The internet is full of 5-minute application videos, but what happens 6 weeks later? Most tutorials say rip them off and do a full soak-off. Please don't. That punishes the nail plate. Today, I'll teach you the proper correction technique. Look at the structure, zero lifting. The remaining material becomes our protective shield. We use precision bits to remove the old design, keeping the foundation intact. It's like restoring a cathedral. You don't tear down the main walls, you just renew the facade. We level, reinforce, and voila! My secret, the reflection test. When the lamplight glides in a perfect straight line, you've mastered leveling. The light doesn't lie. Being a nail tech isn't just painting nails. We're architects of confidence. When a hard-working woman's nails don't break for 6 weeks, you're selling peace of mind. Emphasis. I've prepared a playlist here on the channel, a full course, from chemistry to advanced architecture. Enthusiastic. If this opened your eyes, give me a huge like. Subscribe. We are on the road to 1 million followers. Watch the first video of the course now. Blessings and stay stylish. Bye.